Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can purchase a shipping label and use a shipping label on Etsy. So let's get right into it. Now, shipping labels on Etsy, well, anywhere else even, are used to ship your items that you're selling to your buyers. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to purchase a shipping label, which will enable you to ship your item, and then will pretty much just tape it to the side of your product or your package, and then you can send the package to whoever you should send it. Now, the labels are available for the following carriers, and those are Australia Post, Canada Post, FedEx, Global Postal Shipping, UPS, USPS, Royal Mail, and Every. So if you plan on using any of those, you can very easily just buy the Etsy shipping labels and then paste them onto your, well, you know, item and then ship it off. And the way that you do this, you just go to your shop manager on Etsy, and I can't at the moment, access my shop manager because I don't have the required information to actually fill out everything to actually be able to access it. But pretty much this is the shop manager. Then once you're there, go to orders, find the order you want to print it for, select the icon of a van to actually purchase one. Then under get shipping labels for, check that your address is correct, and if you need to update it, select edit. Then under ship to the right side of the page, check the buyer's address and edit it if it's incorrect. Then fill out the shipping information, which is pretty much how much it weighs, what type it is, the dimensions, and the delivery service you want to use. And once you select all the shipping information, if you're shipping this order internationally, you need to fill out a customs form. Then select review to view a summary, select purchase, and then confirm the documents you'd like to print, select customize options to specify a download preference for your labels, and then just print them out, tape them to your box or package, and that's pretty much it. There's really nothing else to add. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.